Hello, everyone. Good morning and good evening. I hope everyone is doing great today. And welcome back again to one of my video here. Yeah, so you should have figured out what we are going to see today. So we're just going to see how we can see the live stock or a share price in the Excel sheet. Nowadays, everybody are very cautious about their financial spends, and everybody has started investing on one or the other way around, right? So most of them go for their, investment on the stocks for the long time plans, and they keep their track somewhere. And that's probably mostly on maybe on the demat accounts or in their broking apps, wherever they want it. But in case if they want to track it somewhere on an in a separate spreadsheet, and they want to go ahead and they don't want to go ahead and check each and every time what's the livestock price, they can just create this what I'm going to show you right now in a couple of minutes. You can just use this spreadsheet to see what's the livestock price is going to be. Okay, so that's what we're going to talk about today. Let's say I'm creating some column here. Let's say, let's put this as a stock name, and you can use some stocks. Let's say HCL Tech. Let's say I have TCS. Let's say I have Tata Steel, so on and so forth. Whatever is your favorite stocks or whatever is your portfolio, you can put down all your stock names here and the identity of the stock names. Okay, and just select this and go to the data tab here on the top. You have an option called stocks. Just click on the stocks. Okay. Now see here, if your the code for that particular company is accepted, you should be able to see that the company name is popping up here. Let me put here some other name. Let's say Tata Power. And when it enter tab, you should be able to see that the names is getting showing. All right, now I need what's the current prices. Or let's say I want to see what's the 52-week low. Or I want to see what is 52-week high, right? I can see all of these here in a quickly in this spreadsheet with the live data I'm talking about. Let's say I select this particular, the price that I wanted to see. Click on the small insert data option, and you get a wide range of options to check which details you needed, whether you need a 52-week high, 52-week low, beta, what's the change percentage, what's the currency, what's the exchange, what's the market cap, what's the P by E ratio, whatever you want to know about that particular stock. Let's say we are now focused on what's the live prices. So I just click on the price and it's quickly showing up what's the live prices here. And now it's not showing up for the other rest of the thing. So just copy this, Control C, and right click and paste as the formula. Automatically it should show up here. Okay. And now in case if you need the 52-week low, again, go ahead here, insert data, and go again here, 52-week low. Again, if you need a 52-week high, select insert data, 52-week high, and you should be able to see now. Just copy this and paste it wherever you want it, and you should be able to see it. Let's say if you want this for the entire sheet, let's see, copy, and let's say if you want it for the next 10 rows, you can do it. And let's say I put here some of the stock price here. Let's say I want to put TN Petro. Let me put this here, clear it. In case if the, okay, let's make it a spell mistake. Okay, now see here, you should be able to see what's the stock prices. If we give some other wrong names and the wrong codes, it will not be able to recognize. Let's say I want to see what's the Apple stock, AAPL. You should be able to see what's the Apple stock is. Or I want to see, let's say, some other thing, anything in that case you want it. You can just quickly see it for that. Okay. So this way you can quickly, understand what's the live data is going on. Now, how could I know this is live and how this is getting refreshed? If you have that question, just select this particular field or a column, right click, you have an option called data type, and click the refresh here, your data gets refreshed. If you want an automatic refresh, then go to the data type, refresh settings, and here refresh all, or go to the stock options and tell when you want to update it. Let's say for every 5 minutes, or whenever you want to open the file or you want to manually refresh it, right? So automatically it's defaultly showing you for every 5 minutes. But in case if you want to refresh it instantly, just select it, data type, and refresh it. Okay. Hope this was helpful, and hope to see you back on next video. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.